And this is Kitten. Oh, she's heavy. Oh. And this is Dora. Welcome to Dora! Today we're going to go on an adventure to have some kitten fun. And I hope Swiper won't ruin my life today. So here we go. First we'll start with the Wee. This is Wee. Wee cat. Please get off my jacket. You're making it all fuzzy. So you give him that. You look at his eyeballs. Then you get Blinky. Okay, nice and cozy. And then you go. Is that Swiper the fox? Swiper. Swiper, no, swiping. Swiper, no, swiping. Oh, man. Oh, God. Get on my property, kid. We did it. We did it. We did it. Yay. We get Swiper. I mean, Swiper. That was Swiper. Now it's time for more stuff. Time for the cat stick. Yay! It's time to do the weird song that they always do. We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay! We found a kitten. We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay! We found a kitten. Swiper! Swiper fights back. Swiper, get on my property. Swiper is having some. We did it. We're safe now. What was your favorite part of the adventure? Me too! The end.